So I'm going to show you how to grade an assignment in Teams with points. So I'm going to go into my practice team, but you'd normally be going into your eSchool team. I'm going to click on assignments. And as you can see, I have a bunch of different assignments here. So I'm going to start with this one because I know I have points. Actually, let me go back. See how here it tells you 2 out of 3 turned it in and 0 have been reviewed. So I'm going to click here. Here are my ones to be graded. If you did grade them, they would go to here, and then they would just be out of the way so you wouldn't look at them. So I'm going to skip this one. I'm going to go to here. And it shows you if they turned in a Word document. I have the ability to add points here. So let's say I was going to give this 1 out of 2 points, and I can even write feedback. You earned half credit because it was turned in late and you didn't complete the entire assignment. As you can see here, it says late, so you're able to see that. And then I can click the return right away. It now clicks the check mark and I can close out of it. And now you see there's only 2 left. That one is now in the graded area. So if I go back to be graded, there's 2 of them here. If I wanted to, I could click on this one, and you can use these arrows at the top to toggle between your students, or you can click this drop-down menu to toggle between the students as well. But let's say you wanted to do this quickly and you weren't looking to necessarily look at each thing. You were anyone who got a 0, let's say you wanted to mass enter zeros. You could just click right here, give them the grade, and you can do as many as you want, and then you'd be able to click return. If you have 20 students, you could add them all in. If it was just a matter of did they complete it or not, you could put in a 1 right down the line or a 2 right down the line and return it. Okay, so I want to unclick those. I am going to return this as a 0, but for this one, I want to go in and take a look at the picture or the assignment. So as you can see here, nothing was turned in on the Word document. They didn't edit their own copy, but I see here there's a picture. So I could click on that. And now I can't really see this picture here. It's kind of hard. So what I like to do is click this, and I like to click Open Online. You can download, but I think that gets annoying because then I have to go into another file. It's saved on my computer. This way it opens right here into a Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or any version, and then I can see better what they did. So I'm going to X out of this when it's done. You could also click this and you could click Open in Teams. You have that option as well. I don't know why it's not. Oh, because it's already here. Huh. So this is open in Teams, obviously. Sorry about that, guys. But it is sideways. So that's why I always like to go to the Open Online. Here I can write feedback, half credit because you turned it in late. Now you don't have to give feedback, but you can if you want to. I'm going to change that to 1 out of 2. I'm going to click return. I can toggle through. This was a 0. They never turned it in. And now I can close out of it, and you can see all of them have been graded. If I go back, it's now gone from here. It's under graded because I've completed all of them. If I had only completed 1 or 2 of them, it would still be here and it would just tell me the number reviewed. So if you wanted to, let's say, look at these in an Excel document, you could export to Excel, and now I can open it. It's going to come up in my downloads folder. So if you wanted this like as a printout to print for yourself to keep for a certain assignment, or if you want to keep all of them, whatever you want, it has their first name, last name. You can obviously make these bigger. It has the number of points they earned, the possible points, and then even your feedback. So that's an option for you as well. So this is how you grade with points.